good. And we're gonna make some countdown.
I see.
皆さんこんにちは。びっくりされましたね。ご来店ありがとうございます。はい、本日どうもアップル福岡へようこそお越しくださいました。ありがとうございます。はい、ハッピーニューイヤーということでですね、お買い物いろいろ楽しんでいただいていると思うんですけど、なんと新しい iPhone をゲットされた方がいらっしゃいます。拍手。ジェーンさんですね。で、今から僕たちと一緒にオープンをしてくださるそうなので、皆さんスタッフの方もお客様もそして君たちも一緒にカウントダウンしてオープンボックスしていきましょう。 OK？ みんな準備はいい？準備はいいみんな。ハッピーニューイヤーということでやっていきますよ。5カウントでいきます。それではいきますよ。せーの、5、4、3、2、1、オープン！ Congratulations！ はい、ありがとうございます。一緒にお祝いしてほしい方いらっしゃいましたら僕ぜひ呼んでくださいね。はい、引き続きお買い物の方楽しまれてください。ありがとうございました。Congratulations!
Yes.
It's a new phone?
Yes.
It's pretty.
Yes, for nitrons.
It's a Pro Max?
Yes. I'm
Same
hoping.
one.
Oh,
Yeah.
company.
So what you wanna enjoy? Take picture?
Yeah, no, for night videos.
Oh, night videos.
Yes.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Hey,
Thank
I'm
you.
Johnny. Nice to
Hi,
meet you.
I'm John.
Oh, John.
Yes, John and Jenny.
Johnny. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
ありがとうございます。
Really happy. You made my day.
Oh, really? Thank you. I'm so happy to hear that too.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so if you wanna buy another products, please come over here and let's do this together.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to it. ありがとうございます。
Thank you. ありがとうございます。はい、
Thank you.
Congratulations!
Okay.
1, 2, 3. And yeah.
Okay, and then countdown will
本
start.
日は福岡ご来店誠にありがとうございます。今ですね、なんとフィリピンから来られているお客様が iPhone と初めて向き合うことになりますので、皆さんでお祝いしたいと思いますので、よろしくお願いいたします。3からカウントしたいと思いますので、3、2、1でオープンでカウントダウンしますので、皆さん、うわーって盛り上げてください。それでは、行きたいと思います。準備よろしいでしょうか？はい、じゃあ、カウントダウンしたいと思いますので、いきます。3、2、1、オープン！おめでとうございます！ Thank you very much! ありがとうございました。
Thank you very much. Okay, I was surprised. There was a countdown. There's a part of it. Thank you for that.
Thank you. Enjoy your new phone.
Yes, I will definitely. Thank you very much. I didn't know there's a party. I was surprised. It's just like, okay, now I know there's that service.
Right.
Okay, thank you very much.
So can
I
I
have
borrow?
this one.
Yeah.
So this is now the installation of Belkin.
Yeah, Belkin.
Yeah, it's Belkin, and we're going to make a review of it later, but this is how it's installed. Of course, you're buying an expensive... you want to protect it, and Belkin is a solid name. Okay, so from the store... Oh, fancy. They have this gadget. Okay. Oh. And it's done?
Yeah, done.
Wow, this is some fancy gadget that you can put. Otherwise, I would just put it at home and in the bubbles and we're having a hard time.
everyone wants to buy it.
Yeah.
Okay, finish.
Thank you. Oh,
Is it okay?
yeah, looks nice. Yeah, cool. Okay, so can you please? So this is the Belkin, and we'll make a review of it later. Bye. And then there you go. Ta-da! The magic begins. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, ta-da!
What do you think?
It's nice.
Nice.
Thank you.